Now that we have set up our hole locations, we need to do a little bit of math to figure out the length of dowel pin. Taking a look at the schematic for our leaf support, we drilled a dowel hole location 3/8 of an inch in diameter to a depth of 3/4 of an inch. On our top, we drilled the hole to a depth of 3/8 of an inch. And we have a top clearance of about 5 or 6 30-seconds. This gives us a total dowel length of about 1 5/16. Now, in case I drilled one of these holes a little bit deeper than I should have, or I did my math wrong, I'm going to measure the dowel to 1.5 inches. And I will be cutting 2 pieces using 11 30-seconds dowel, each being cut to a length of 1.5 inches. I can then test those dowels out by installing them in my leaf support and then placing the top on and lining them up with the top. Now I can clearly see that I am bottoming out on those dowels. Obviously those dowels are too long. I'm going to bring the dowels down just a little bit and test them out and see if I can get that top to sit squarely on the base. And after a couple times back and forth to the sander, the dowel fits good and the top fits good. It is not bottoming out. My leaf supports swing freely and my joint is looking very tight where my top connects to the side and my cleat. Now before I continue, I'm going to sand off all of my pencil marks from the bottom side of the top.